Good afternoon, children. Today I am explaining about that expanding brackets. Expanding brackets already taken, but I am taking once more. If you have any doubt, you can clear it. Okay, is expanding brackets. Listen here, children. 105 into 107. 105 into 107. Then first you can expand the bracket, expanding this number or splitting this number. How is expanding this 105, children? 105. 105, that means 100 plus 5. And 107 is equal to 100 plus 7. 105, 100 plus 5. 107, that is 107, isn't it? The next one, if we expand the bracket, then you have to multiply these two numbers. In the first bracket, that is 105, that numbers you have to multiply with these two numbers. That means you have to take, first you have to multiply this 100 with these two numbers. That means 100 into 100 plus 100 into 7. And next you take it next digit. What is next one? 5. That 5 also you have to multiply with this 100 and this 7. All of you look here. Then first 100 plus 5. Then we can take it first this 100. This 100. That 100 into 100. 100 into 100 plus again next 100 into 7. 100 into 7 plus next one 5. 100, that is over. The two numbers already multiplied. And next we can take it next to 5. Then that 5 also you have to multiply with these two numbers. That means 5 into 100 plus 5 into 7. 5 into 7. Look here. Then 100 into 100, that is how many zeros here? 4 zeros, isn't it? Then 1 and 4 zeros means that is 10,000. 10,000 plus 100 into 7, 700 plus 5 into 100, 500 plus 5 sevens are 35. Yes, 10,000 plus 700, 10,700 plus 500, 11,200, 11,235. Okay? Did you understand, children, how is getting that? First you have to expand the bracket, expand the number. Thus 105, that is 100 plus 5. 107, that is 100 plus 7. And next step, you have to multiply the first number with the next bracket. That is the two numbers of the next bracket. You have to multiply this number, or you have to multiply this number with these two numbers. And after that, after finishing that, you can take it next. Which one is next? 5. Then 5 into 100 and 5 into 7. Then you can multiply and add it. Okay. Then next. Next one. Okay. Then is finished. Then next. Roman numerals. Roman numerals. That already learned. Yes, look here, children. How is writing these Roman numerals? That already you so in this question papers you already seeing, isn't it? Then first question, fill up. Then something. Then second question, name the following. Then third. Then fourth. Likewise, this is the Roman numerals. That already seen. Okay. Yes, all of you listen here. Then no need to write like this. You can write it this one. 1, 2, 3. Then next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All of you look here. The Roman numerals from 1 to 10. 1 to 10 write this. 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. That is no problem. Then 4. 4. How is writing 5? 5 means that is B. That is 5. And 4 means that is 5 minus 1, 4. 6 means 5 plus 1. All of you look here. 5 minus 1. How is writing the Roman numerals 5? 5. And 5 minus 1, that is, this one is 5. 5 minus 1, that is 4. Then you have to keep 1 in the left side. That is 5 minus 1, 4. And 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1. Okay. Then if you write the one that is in the, that is before 5, that means that is 4. And after 5, that is 5 plus 1, 6. Then this one 4 and 6. Okay. Likewise, this one also 10. This one is 10. 10 minus 1, that is 9. 10 plus 1, that is 11. 10 plus 2, that is 12. 10 plus 3, that is 13. 10 plus 4, that is 4 like this, isn't it? 10 plus 4, 14. Likewise, 10 plus 5, that is 15. Okay. Then up to 20, that you can write it. Yes. Then 20, how is writing, children? 10 plus 10, that is 20. 10 plus 10, 20. Then 30. 10, 20, 30. Then 40, how is writing? 40, children. This L is 50. This one is 5. This one is 10. This one is 50. C, that is 100. D, that is 500. M, that is 1000. And L is 50. L is 50. Then 50 minus 40. What is 50 minus 40? 50 minus 10, not 40. 50 minus 10, that is 40, isn't it? So, L in before you can write X, that is 40. This one is 40. And 50, this one 50. 60 means yes, once more 20, 30, 40 means 50 minus 10, 40, 50, 60 means 50 plus 10, 50 and 10, 10 and 50, that is 10, 50 minus 10, that is 40, 50, 60, 70, 50 plus 20, 50 plus 30, that is 80. 80. Then 90 means 100. What is 100? C. 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10, that is 90. 100 minus 10. It's C. That is 90. Then 110. How is writing 110? 110. CX, that is 110. 110. Okay. And 50, that is L. C, that is 100. And D, that is 500. And M, that is 1000. Okay, children? Yes. Look here. 68. 68 that we can split into 60 plus 8. How is writing 60? L. Yes, that is 60, isn't it? Plus 8. How is writing 8? 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one is the 68. Okay. Okay, children. This is the way to write in Roman numerals. Okay. Then next I will review the homework. Homework, children. And class test. I will take the class test on Monday. Okay. First lesson, that is over. Yes. Class test. on Monday. Lesson 1. The next homework that is right from 1 to 100 in Roman numerals. Okay. Then next, find the product. Find the product by expanding brackets. Expanding brackets, that is 110 into 108, 104 into 106. Okay children, bye everyone, study well. Okay, yes, bye.